So I never thought that the Meta technology will become this small. So as you can see, it has, I think, mechanism inside, a speaker, and then there's a camera here. So pag magta-take tayo ng picture, supposedly dapat iilaw siya. Let's try. Hey Meta, take a picture. Ayan, umilaw. Try pa natin. Hey Meta, record the video. I think it's recording now. Yung quality ng kanyang video recording dito sa overlooking, and then synchronize natin dito sa ating iPhone. Sa ibang view. Okay. Daming langgam. I think it's still recording. Hey Meta, stop recording. May maririnig kang sound notification na nare-recognize niya yung command. Let's see kung mare-record natin yung audio ng Meta. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? I'm not sure kung narinig sa microphone ng iPhone yung sinabi ni Meta. And na-test ko rin to kanina sa music. Ganda rin ang quality, and then aware ka sa surroundings. Kasi open yung ear mo. So yun lang, this is Meta in partnership with Ray-Ban.